Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to export Teams chat history. So first you have to go to any web browser and then type Microsoft Export My Data. Now the next thing you should do here is tap on the very first link that you can see or the second one. Tap this one right here. Then you should see the export or delete your data. You have to scroll down till you see the export and delete your messages, call logs, and media. And you should see this export your message and media from chat and community. Scroll down and tap on export page. Wait for a couple of seconds and you should see this one right here. All you have to do is to sign in to your account. And you should see this export my data, request a copy of your team's data. What you're going to do is tap on chat history and then tap on submit request. Now you have to wait and you should see the notification above. Your export is being prepared and you should see this request a copy of your team's data and also the date. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.